We often hear that success comes to those who work hard. But what if I told you that luck plays a big role, too? Not the kind of luck you stumble upon, but the kind you create by always being prepared for the opportunities that come your way. That's exactly what Ina Garten explores in her latest memoir, Be Ready When the Luck Happens. Known to many as the Barefoot Contessa, Ina shares her journey from a budget analyst in Washington, D.C., to a successful cookbook author and television personality. But this isn't just a story of glamour. It's a heartfelt tale of how being ready when the right moments strike can change everything. One of the core lessons in the memoir is that luck isn't just a random occurrence, it's the result of preparation meeting opportunity. Ina talks about how every decision she made, every small step she took, led to those big moments of success. It's a reminder to all of us: stay ready, keep honing your craft, and trust that the effort you put in today will lead to the opportunities of tomorrow. Ina's life is proof that when you're passionate and dedicated, the world presents you with chances, often when you least expect it. This memoir isn't just about Ina's path to success. It's filled with valuable lessons that resonate far beyond the kitchen. From pursuing passions to finding balance, her wisdom reminds us that it's never too late to chase your dreams. Whether you're on a career path or building something new, her story is a beacon of hope and resilience. So, what's the takeaway? If you want to create luck in your life, start by being prepared. Be open to unexpected opportunities, and don't be afraid to take risks. As Ina puts it, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. If you're looking for more inspiration or just a heartwarming read that will remind you of life's beautiful possibilities, Be Ready When the Luck Happens is a must-read. You can find it now on Amazon. And trust me, you'll want this one on your bookshelf, because the next time luck comes knocking, you'll be ready.